Hi, after a fun-filled 4th of July weekend, I'm here with your weekly market update from the Byers Group. Let's take a quick look at what happened in the Denver real estate market last week and what we're expecting post 4th of July weekend. Heading into the long holiday weekend, we saw a nice bump in activity. More buyers went under contract and month-end closings helped boost the odds of selling. This was a welcome shift after the slower pace we saw the weekend before. That said, 4th of July weekend is traditionally one of the slowest of the year. With the holiday landing on a Friday this time, many people left town early for celebrations. So don't be surprised if next week's numbers reflect a slowdown. Last year, we saw a 30% drop in showings and pending contracts over the holiday weekend. Inventory ticked up slightly compared to the week before, but the year-over-year gap continues to narrow. New listings dipped both week over week and compared to last year, and we saw a sharp drop in coming soon listings. That could mean a tighter market later this month if demand picks back up. The number of homes going under contract rose meaningfully last week, both week over week and compared to the same time last year. That's a strong indicator of renewed buyer activity. As a result, the predicted month's supply of inventory ticked back down after last week's rise. It's still higher than this time last year, but lower than the week before. The odds of selling in the next 30 days also climbed to their highest level since mid-May, while still slightly below last year's figures. The gap continues to close. We're still seeing cautious buyer behavior, but the recent improvement is definitely worth noting. Showing activity dipped a bit compared to the previous week, but it's still up year over year. And on average, it took fewer showings to go under contract, which is a great sign heading into July. Median days on market ticked up slightly though, so sellers should remain patient and price competitively. Lastly, price reductions are continuing to rise. Over half the homes that went under contract last week had at least one price drop, and those reductions were a bit steeper than we've seen recently. It's a clear sign that motivated sellers are adjusting to meet the market. As always, we're here to simplify the process and maximize your results. If you have questions or want to talk strategy, reach out anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.